Okay, so now we're going to look at measurement within space, and we are going to need to go back to our chapter 6 and remember our formulas for surface area and volume of three-dimensional images to be able to do that. So let's take a look at our first example. A square base, so that's important, it's a square. We know that all four sides are going to be the same of the base. Has the following coordinates, and the apex of the pyramid is at D, which is at 2, 2, 5. So it says verify the apex lies directly above the center of the base. Well, center of the base is going to be essentially where this diagonal intersects this diagonal. So it's really the midpoint of each of those segments there. That's going to be the center. So let's find the center of the base by using our midpoint formula that we learned in the previous video. So if we look at, let's do OB first. So O is at 0, 0, 0, and B is at 4, 4, 0. So I have 4 plus 0 over 2, 4 plus 0 over 2, and 0 plus 0 over 2. So the midpoint of OB is going to be at 2, 2, 0. Okay, and then let's do AB. So A is at 4 plus 0, 0 plus 4 divided by 2, and then 0 plus 0 divided by 2. And when we do that, we get 2 comma 2 comma 0. Okay, so they both have the same midpoint, so that means they are intersecting there. And if D is at 2, 2, 5, isn't that directly above our midpoint? So since it is, there is our verification. It does lie directly above the center because it's 5 units higher than the 220. So that's step one. Step two says find the, or part B, I should say, says find the volume of a pyramid. So first off, the volume of a pyramid is 1/3 BH, where that big B, remember, is the base area. So in this problem, our base is a square. So because our base is a square, that B is going to be S squared because that's how you find the area of a square. So really in reality, my equation is going to be 1/3 S squared times the height of the pyramid. So we have 1/3 our S. If we look, this is 4 units, like all of them are 4. So it's 4 squared. So we have 4 squared. And then the height of it would be our z. And so since d is at 225, 5 is the height of our pyramid there. So then we have a height of 5. And so when we multiply that, we get 80 thirds if we go exact. And then we don't know the units, so we're just going to say units cubed because it's volume. And that would be the area of that pyramid.